Hi folks, my name is Rick from Rick's Reviews. Let me show you the program that I use in order to make intro videos. It's a free program, it's really easy to use, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it today. Okay, now I want you to open up your favorite browser and navigate to Panzoid. Free program once again. Go ahead and go to Panzoid and let's choose what video we want to make. Let's say I wanted to go with this one right here. I'm going to open up a clip maker. Go to clip maker. You're going to have to wait for it to load. Some of them load up really quick, some take a little bit longer to load depending on how much RAM you have. In this case it says back. So you're going to look for the word back when we get into that section. But first you want to click on this box right here with a little check mark in it. Make sure you're at 1920 by 1080, nothing larger. We want to make sure we're at 30 frames per second. You can go 60 frames per second, but it's kind of overkill in this case. Now, this says 11-second video. We want our videos to be 10 seconds and under. Anything over 10 seconds, people kind of get bored and they tend to navigate off of your website or off of your page. We don't want that. So we want to go 10.0 and hit enter. Once we get that done, we want to go down to this object here, the three-dimensional box. We want to look for the word back. That's the word we want to change. And it looks like what they did was they went one letter at a time. So we're going to go ahead and just enter my letters in its place. Now if you notice to the right, the actual letters are starting to change to become mine. That B went to an R. And we're going to change this letter here. Just so happens that C and K are exactly where I want it to be. So what we want to do is we want to mute this while we're doing this editing. Go ahead and mute it, and we want to go ahead and view it the way a viewer is going to see it when you're on YouTube or wherever you do this intro video for. So we're going to hit this little eye right here, and we're going to go ahead and hit play and see what it does for us. And there you go. See how easily that was to be done? Now once again, this is a free program. You get it done for you, and the clip's going to run 10 seconds and it's going to loop over. I'm going to go ahead and stop it here. Now if you're happy with the video that you made, you can go ahead and download it. So click this download right here, and it's going to ask you what mode. We want to go with the extreme quality. We want to go highest quality we want, so we can get to at least. Go ahead and download it as an MKV or this right here, whatever the heck that is, and then hit start rendering. It's going to take a few moments depending on how intricate your video intro is. It's going to take a few moments for it to actually load across the screen there. Once it loads across the screen, it's going to ask you if you want to download it. Go ahead and download it. Download it. We'll get out of this. Once you download it, I use a program that doesn't like MKV in order to integrate into my video. So I use a program called Handbrake, another free program. Open up Handbrake, and in Handbrake, when you get there, it's going to ask you, do you want to go to a folder or do you want to go to a file? In our case, we just want to go to a single file. We don't want to go to folder. Click single file, and let's say we were going to convert this one here. Double click on that one. It's going to load up. We want to tell it what kind of video we want it to be. We want it to be a H.264 at 30 frames per second, and in our case we want to go with the MP4. You can change it to a couple of different programs that you want depending over here what we've chosen. I've already pre-chosen for Roku, but we can actually go to different file formats we want it to be. Once we want it once we got it set, we want to go to that program. What we want to do is we want to click add to queue. You notice things change and we have one thing in queue now. Once we have one thing in queue, we go ahead and hit start queue. Just watch the magic happen. In this case, intros aren't very large. They're not full movies. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes to get done. And that's it. You're good to go. You got your intro. Tell it where you want your intro to deposit or save, and then you can go ahead and enter your intro into your favorite video program that you're either going to post here or post on your website, what have you. And that's how you get done. If you have any questions, post it down there in the description, and I'll answer your questions as soon as I get a chance to answer your questions. Once again, if you find value in the videos that you're seeing, click subscribe and click that little bell icon to be notified of any future videos that I make.